Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we have a look at the most significant things in Kazakh language. Саламатсыздар ма? Келгеніңіздеріне қуаныштымын. Келесі сабағымызды бастайық. And this thing is the law of synharmonism. In the Kazakh language has two types of synharmonism. Дауысты дыбыстар үндестігі, harmony of vowel sounds, дауыссыз дыбыстар үндестігі, harmony of consonants. Harmony of vowel sounds, the essence of the law of synharmonism is as follows. If the last syllable of the word is hard, then a hard affix is attached to it. For example, alma, we have last syllable is hard, and then we can add also hard affix, lar. Next, kız, also we have hard syllable, kız, and can add also hard affix dar. Next is söz. Söz is like a soft, and then we can add soft affix der. Söz der, And in previous lesson we can see hard vowels and soft vowels, and on these lessons, based on these lessons, we can see hard vowels and soft vowels, and then can choose soft here and hard here. So next, harmony of consonants. There are two types of consonants harmony: progressive and regressive assimilation. Progressive assimilation. This is the influence of the previous sound on the subsequent sounds. If the last sound of the stem is unvoiced, then the initial sound of the affix will be unvoiced. Mektep, we have a letter P is unvoiced, and then we can add unvoiced affix tir. So if the last sound of the stem is voiced or sonorant, then the initial sounds of the affix will be voiced or sonorant. Kız, dar, kız. We have the letter z. It's like a sound letter, and then we can add sound affix dar. And gauhar is next. We have r letter is sonorant. Sonorant is added to stem, and then we can add sonorant affix also. So okay, next, regressive assimilation. If two roots of stem with final voiceless consonants k, p endings with initial vowel are added y or then the final voiceless k, p consonants change into the sounds g, b. Kasık, kasıgın. You see, this letter k is changed to g, letter g, and dop is changed. This letter p is changed to b. And thank you all of you to take a look for this lesson. Барлықтарына рахмет деймін. жақсы сау саламатта кездесейік. Bye bye. And here guys, well, of course we have a exception of the law, and in next lesson we can take a look for these exceptions. So thank you again. Bye bye.